Hi, I'm Adam with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, CNC machines, welders, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you one of our favorite machines, the Cincinnati 230-ton, over 14-foot overall. It's a nice 12 between the housings, no problem. This has a Hurco 7 CNC back gauge. It's going to bring your back gauge back and forth for you, as well as your ram is also CNC control. I'll cycle through this a few times and you can see how everything's working. Nice running machine, nice and quiet, smooth up and down. We're going to change our stroke speed now. You'll notice it's a slow approach. Before we had the quick approach, which helps you get your material for production. This is going to be easier for forming. We're going to have a quick retreat, bring you right back up, get you started again to go ahead and do your forming. The last speed that you have here is your inch setup. Inch down. What you're going to be doing is you set that up, you go ahead and bring your guide down, get your height approximate. Right now we'll turn on the low to medium. So we got a slow approach. And a medium speed up instead of the high speed. Now we'll bring you around this machine, let you see how you can set the different modes. Here's your Hurco CNC controller. You'll be able to put your different programs in there, recall them. What that's going to do is allow for your stroke, everything to come down, know right where it's at, repeat. Here you can see the stroke or the throat of the machine. This is your stroke control. This is where you'd set high and low, where you're going to go back up. The electrical controller is the one I was turning to change the stroke speeds. And here's your CNC back gauge. You have manual up and down. You turn these handles and you bring it up and down. That'll be your R axis. You'll have in and out. Adjustable fingers. Nice clean machine. It does require a small pit right in the center there that you'd have to cut just a slot to let the bed go down. You'll normally see that on 14-foot machines and larger. Nice heavy duty Cincinnati CNC press brake.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.